What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Over here, we are going to find me a wallet. I need a wallet. I've been holding off for the longest. I broke my old wallet. I love my old wallet because it's small, can fit in my pocket, all that good stuff. So now, we are on our way to go get some bills paid, and then we're going to go for a wallet. I don't know where I'm going yet. I have no clue. But we're going to go search for a wallet, and I just missed the light. Did you see that? And you ran the light. Look at you running the light. But anyway, all right, I'll catch y'all when I get back. Thank you. Hey y'all, I found another Marshalls. Let's check this Marshalls out and see what they got inside here. I don't even know which way I go in. It's new. It's a little plaza. All right, y'all. We're going inside here. Ooh, damn, it almost fell. Jeez. Look at these little shoes. They cute. Are they on sale? 19. Look at these. These are New Balance. It's something different. I don't see no price on them. I see these too. These are 79. Not too bad. I don't care. I like the back of it. Oh. Here's another pair. I think the other one that I showed was 59. This one's 59 as well, I think. No, this one's 79. Never mind. Here's another pair. These are 49. Okay, now I'm in the center aisle. The exfoliating body scrub, that was so cute. Look at the packaging. They were $5.99. There were two of them. Different smells. One's like an orangey, it looked like. But yeah, it smelled so good. And then I come to here, the headbands, the berry headbands. That is like for get ready with me, you know, push your hair back, you know, do your makeup and things like that. That one I think was $5.99. The other ones were like $3.99. $4.99. They were different prices. The cute little bunny and a cow, those were cute as well. Also, this is Breakfast at Tiffany's. Who remembers Breakfast at Tiffany? Yeah, showing your age, showing my age, I should say. Then there's a cat, and then there's Peanuts, Hello Kitty, Charlie Brown, Mario. I like this big old drink cocktail. They look so cute. I need one, a juicer. Yep, I need one of those. I need a mixer as well, because I don't like mixing nothing with my hands. And then there's pots right here. I like these pots. I like the color of them. That black one is nice. I like those. They are just so cute. Look how nice they are. I want one. Very. And then they had Easter decor. Of course, Easter coming up right after, you know, Valentine's Day. So there's a little decorations they had for the outdoors, you know, it's cute. Then there's more, some Easter bunnies, cups, and stuff like that. They were all cute. Nice. There's more and more. And then there's this. The music was... Okay, when I walked in here, I almost fell and bust my ass on this thing right here. That's crazy. Let's see what's down here. Down this way. Yeah, I almost fell and bust my behind. Oh, this is a salon. Oh, that's cute. What else is this way? Is it like a bar? I guess. This is a bar. There's sushi and stuff in there. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna take off. Because I almost fell and bust my behind. I'm like upset. Look, the shoes I got on. I never even tied my shoe again because I was tight. I almost fell. I was almost on the ground. Alright, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Okay, I wound up in Kohl's now, and I saw these little wallets. Remember I said I needed a wallet, but not those kind of wallets. Those were $24 or from 24 to 25, and it was like, what? Why is them wallets that much? Well, you know, I'm in Kohl's, so they were cute for somebody. Not me, though. But, okay, here's another one. That one was cute. I like the blue and the yellow color. It was cute. Those were 25. Yeah, those were cute. Yeah, I like those ones. But it's not the color that I need. That's the thing. That was cute. I like that as well. Very cute. And here's some little pocketbooks that no, I don't need those. But they were cute, though. They were cute. That's something you can carry with you. Put like your little cell phone in. And, you know, little tissues, little lipstick, lip gloss, whatever in there. I like those big ones as well. That one was cute too, but you know how I feel about the strings on the top. That little chain string. I feel like they could pop. But there's more on the wall. I didn't go close to it. But yeah. And then I went walking off to another one. That looked like a little Prada Louis Vuitton mixed bag because of the little wallet on it. The little change pocket thing. Yep. And then there's those. That was cute too. Oh yeah, there's buy one get one half off, and that one's cute. Very cute. I like that. Look at it. It is very cute. You can wear, and they need different colors. That one was nice. That's a little walker storage bag. I like to carry a whole bunch of stuff in my bag. I don't know why. There's a smaller one. That one's cute too. Keep your little wallet and stuff inside there. Those are really nice. And here we are, our back end Kohl's with these 59, 62, and then there's 68, and then there's a 71. I'm not sure what all the numbers mean, and no idea what the numbers mean, but they smell really good. I enjoyed what is the one that I actually like? This one right here. This one's the pistachio. Yeah, that one's pistachio caramel, salted caramel. It smells really good, but then I sprayed too much on me, and I was like, ooh, not cool at all, but it's all good. I'm going to go ahead and leave out. The prices on them are like $24, $25. It depends on different ones. Like this one here, I think that one was like $28 maybe. And that's the oil. The oil, it smelled really good, but I put too much on my hand. It was like, ooh, I put too much on here. But yeah. And it's a skin smoothing. Smells really good. Those are like $35. Then there's $28. Just different prices I'm calling out because it was so many different prices on there. And I don't know why it's so hard for me to read the signs on there, but they are. That one was like $30 for the little package thing. Well, $28. About the same. You know, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. But thank you for always watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.